you stretch your watercolour paper, does it end up looking like this? When it should look like this. So how do we go from wavy to smooth? Let me show you. You will need some supplies. MDF board, at least 10mm thick and of a size suitable to accommodate the size of paper you're using. Watercolour paper, I'm using £140 hot press. Gummed paper tape, at least 48mm thick. A spray water bottle and clean fresh water. A natural sponge, a wide flat brush and kitchen towel. First, cut or tear 4 strips of the gummed paper. These should measure the same as the outer edges of your board. When you're ready to start, thoroughly spray your board with clean water. With a damp brush, evenly distribute the water. Now take your watercolour paper and spray the back. Use a brush to evenly distribute the water over the back side of the paper. Turn the paper over and place it centrally on the board and let it flop down. Thoroughly spray the top side of the paper. Use your brush to distribute the water evenly across the top of the paper. If you see any air bubbles appearing on your paper, you can lift it, distribute the water underneath with your brush, both on the board and on the paper, and then let it flop back down again. Remove the excess water from the edges of your paper and the board in an area that is approximately the width of the tape. This allows the tape to secure firmly to the paper and the board. Take your tape and with the thoroughly wet sponge, go down one side of the tape and then the other. Then stick it onto the edge of the board and go over it with a piece of kitchen towel. This will remove any air bubbles that may be present and will also ensure that the tape sticks firmly to both the paper and the board. Fold in any of the excess ends. Now repeat this on all sides. Spray again with clean water and go over with your brush to distribute. Dab over the edges with kitchen towel just to remove any excess water and then allow to dry completely. I always stretch my watercolour paper the day before I'm going to need it. This is so I know it will be thoroughly dry before I paint. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful and that you'll consider subscribing to my channel for future tutorials and demos. Thank you for watching.